my god.
Good afternoon, Emma.
Afternoon, Annie.
It's windy out, eh?
It's rain is coming out.
Yeah. Don't pick your bum.
Storm's coming. Oh my god! Look! Holy fly! Holy guacamole fly! Oh no! Oh my god. Are you okay, Kaboom? Okay. Mm. God. Excuse me. Listen. Look. Oh my god. Oh god, it's starting. Here she comes. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh my god. Ah. Oh my god. Wait, that was the roar was. Huh. Oh my god. Oh my god. God.
My opinion, that's a lot of batteries for the size of light it is.
So, I don't.
Do you want a fire?
Yeah?
No,
There's no batteries in it right now. We'll get you some.
You can just have that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Mom, who has the biggest ring?
It's probably already done.
Okay.
Yeah, it was a little rain.
Okay.
It's just big drops and then it was done.
Yeah?
It's because it's almost, Emma, it's because it's almost winter.
Yeah.
So it looks spooky outside, but it's just because it's cooling down.
Yeah?
So once it's cold,
Yeah?
when those kinds of clouds move in, it's just going to be snow.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my. Hmm.